In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Zarchiver access denied in 2024. So in case you're trying to access a folder or a specific document inside Zarchiver, but you get the access denied message, here's how we can fix this forever. So it's actually quite easy. First, what you want to do is of course go to Play Store and look if there's any updates to Zarchiver. Go to search bottom right, look for Zarchiver. And then if there's no updates, we're gonna go to the next step, but if there's an update, make sure to install it over here. It should say update where it says open on my button over here to the right, okay? So if that's not the case, if you don't have an update, what you wanna do is open up your settings on your device. From the settings, you wanna look for apps, which is usually somewhere in the middle. As you can see over here, that's the one. Click on apps, and in here you should see app list, manage apps, app management, or something along those lines, depending on your device, of course. Press manage apps, which is for me manage apps. For you it may be different, as I said. And in here you just want to find the app list, okay? So find the list of your apps on your mobile device. In here you want to look for Zarchiver. So I'm going to type it in over here so it's faster. There we go. Zarchiver is down here. Press it, and then the first thing you want to do is press on storage, okay, which is the first option up top. In here, down below, it says clear data. You want to press clear data and first clear cache. Press clear cache and press OK. Once you've done that, you also want to clear all data. So press clear all data and it will say delete all data. All app data, including files, settings, accounts, databases, and cache will be permanently deleted. Don't worry, nothing bad will happen. The app will still be installed and everything will be fine. Just press OK and that's it. Then you want to go back out to the previous tab, and in here you want to go to app permissions. It should say permissions, app permissions, something along those lines. Press it, and in here you will see that there's no permissions allowed currently, okay? So as you can see, under allowed there's nothing, and after not allowed we have notifications. So anything that is under not allowed, tap on it and simply press allow or show notifications or whatever there is, okay? So that's very important. So it allows you to kind of use the app. What you can also do, if you see this setting over here, pause app activity if unused, you want to turn that off, okay? Because if you have that turned on, it may happen that that may be preventing access to specific folders, okay? So as I said, turn it off, and if it still doesn't work, you can turn it back on if you want to. So then what you want to do is go back out of here, close down your settings, and then simply restart your mobile device. Now, once you restart it, try opening up Zarchiver and see if it works or if you still get the access denied message. If you still get the message, you will have to uninstall Zarchiver from Play Store or from your device, reinstall it yet again from the Play Store, the newest updated version, and then try opening up and see if the issue is gone. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.